In the age where technology and safety intertwine, the Lane Departure Warning System, or LDW for short, has emerged as a game changer. This revolutionary feature is not just a fancy addition to your car, but a crucial tool for enhancing driver safety, becoming an indispensable partner for every journey. So, what exactly is this LDW? The Lane Departure Warning is a sophisticated system engineered to alert drivers when their vehicle starts to veer out of its lane on freeways and arterial roads. This becomes a vital tool in preventing accidents that can occur due to distractions or inattention. Now, how does this work? Well, in the Honda Odyssey, the LDW system operates using a camera mounted near the top of the windshield. This camera is responsible for detecting lane markings. Once your vehicle reaches a speed of over 45 miles per hour, the system kicks in. If the vehicle begins to drift from its lane without the turn signal activated, the LDW system springs into action, flashing and sounding an alert. This alert nudges the driver to take corrective action and steer the vehicle back into its lane. But how does LDW contribute to driver safety? The LDW system acts like an extra pair of vigilant eyes on the road. This becomes especially beneficial during long drives or for drivers who might be susceptible to distraction. By issuing timely alerts, the LDW system helps keep the vehicle within its lane, drastically reducing the risk of side collisions and rollovers that can result from unintentional lane departures. In the Honda Odyssey, the LDW system is part of a wider safety package known as Honda Sensing. Alongside LDW, this suite includes the collision mitigation braking system, which helps halt the car when a frontal collision seems inevitable. Also included is the road departure mitigation system, which adjusts steering and braking if you cross detected lanes without signaling. The adaptive cruise control that maintains a set following interval behind detected vehicles for highway driving, and the traffic sign recognition that keeps the driver updated with the latest speed limit information detected by the camera. Drivers of the Honda Odyssey have reported that the LDW system is intuitive and unobtrusive. The alerts are noticeable enough to catch your attention, but they're not so alarming as to cause panic. This balance is crucial in ensuring that the system aids rather than obstructs the driving experience. So, there you have it. The Lane Departure Warning System, a crucial tool in enhancing driver safety and a key feature in the Honda Odyssey. It's not just a fancy addition, it's a partner in every journey, ensuring you and your family's safety on the road.